Hi, hello and welcome friends to my YouTube channel Raindrop Academy. We have been doing the sessions of quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability. Then we have been doing English also and general awareness also. So these are the basic subjects which are coming in different government job exams like banking, Staff Selection Commission, Railways, MBAs, and NDA, CDS, etc. So many of the exams are there, and for that, now the exams are computer based exams. So we need to practice on the computer based or on our smartphones. So I have been recommending a website which is giving you all the free practice computer based tests for computer based test exams, and that the name of the website is www.testgenie.com. So today what I have planned in my session, I will be taking you to a tour of that website and we'll see how we can sign up. Then we will log in and take a few tests, and from there we will proceed, and then when if you have got any doubts or anything like that, you can please post it into our comment sections and we'll surely revert back to you. So friends, now not much to waste your time, we'll directly go to my mobile screen, and from my mobile screen we will be taking this we'll be logging into this website and we'll have a tour of this website. So thank you friends, stay with us. We'll take few tests so that it will be clear to you that how it has to be done. Now we won't do much of talking, we'll directly go to my Google. Okay, so this is my Google, and this is the name of the website, www.testgenie.com. So don't worry, I will put the URL and the link in this description box, and you can do it from there. So now I go to the website. Anyway, this is the website. Now what you have to do is that when you come to this page on your mobile, I assume that most of you will be doing on your mobile. So if you are doing on desktop, similar page will be there, and desktop version is much more clear. So what happens when you are doing on your mobile, you see this three lines on the top and the right hand corner. So you just touch it. So what you get? First is sign up, then login, then exams, then test. So we go first once we are visiting this website for the first time. So we have to go to the sign up page and we'll see whatever it is there. Now we are here in the sign up page. So I will just put my name here. Suppose I am putting my name. Then since my name already exists, so it is showing me. Okay, but it won't be showing any pop-ups to you. So what you have to do is you have to put your mobile number. So I just put 567698456, whatever is the mobile number. Oh sorry, this was for the email. So I put my email as xyz@gmail.com. Now the next thing is mobile number. So I put my mobile number here. So 56789 all 10 digits has to be done. Now what you have to do is next is exam profile. So you have to select some of the exams which you are interested, or you can select the all exams also. So here now we will go and we'll select all exams. And I've been repeating that this website is actually very good. They are giving you everything and there is no cost. You see, no pop-ups also. In this password section you have to put one capital, so I'm putting like one capital, then numbers and a symbol. Same you have to repeat it here, and you see. Okay, so now almost we are ready to go. Now you have to click this dialog box that you are agreeing to the terms and condition of this website, and then you can go to create your password. You just have to create your password. Then what happens, what all information they have asked: full name, email address, then your mobile number, then exams you have to select which you are of your interest, and then you have to create your password. Then you will get a message that email verification is pending, email verification has been sent to your mail or something like that, and then you go to your email and verify your email, and then you will be ready to go. So since I am already registered, I won't be doing it. I go back and I will just sign up. So again I'm going to this 3 dotted lines and I'm going to the login page. So now I come to this login page and you see email and mobile. So mine is already stored, it is stored with the mobile number, password is also stored. Now I am ready to go. So it's going, I'm landing on the login page. Now you see this automatically they are showing me, since I have selected all the exams, so I do the clerical exam. Okay, now if I have to take a test, I have to touch these 3 lines, then I go to the test section. Now you see, now the fun starts. So what happens, friends, you see there are so many exams, load more, and then you will get further more exams here, and time duration, everything is written. So let's take an exam without much of talking. Now I don't want to take a big exam, I want to take a small exam. So these are okay. Let's take a numerical ability. Okay, so we take a numerical ability test. So what you can take it in the this is the portrait way of display. You can take it in the landscape also. Anyway, for me it is more convenient, so I'm doing it that way. You see my name is here, Rajiv Ranjan Shah, and then these are the instructions. So this is almost actually fully same with the same exam interface which I have seen that people are doing it in the IBPS and other exams like SSC and all. So now we go to the next, we just press it. Here you have to agree with the description. Here you can change the language also if you want, but this question paper is available in English only. Then you tick the declaration. Then I am ready to begin, and now the fun starts. The first question takes a bit of time, but you see now these are the response, this is the question. Now suppose if this is a quadratic equation question, so you should see this is the quadratic equation question. Anyway, I am not solving it, I just go with the relationship cannot be established. This is one of my favorite options actually when I see that, but since I have not solved it, I am not sure. Okay, so I go for in the next question. Now you see here it is green marked, so I have done it. Suppose I am not attempting the second question, I am just going to the next question. So here is, now you see the second question is red, it means that I have not answered. Okay, now suppose I am going I'm knowing this, but I am having some doubt, so I am putting it like this and mark for review, so it becomes purple. So you see different, and that to this thing exactly in the examination you are getting it. Now I am solving, I am not solving, but I am just showing you. So the fourth becomes like this. So once I reach to the 30th question, then what I will do, I will, and you see the best thing, timer is just going on 28, 43, 42. You can see your time and you can plan your response accordingly. So anyway, now I don't I'm not in the mood to solve this question paper. I just do the submit test and check the score. Okay, I want to do that. So quantitative aptitude, 30 questions were there. I have answered some 2, and these are the things which I have not answered, 26, and some are maybe marked for review and all. So finally I submit the test. Thank you, your test has been submitted. Now is the fun. Show the detailed result. Attempted question 3, correct answer. God, it's 2 questions I have still done correctly and which I have not even studied. Incorrect response, so at least the marks is in the positive side. Okay, fine. Anyway, so if you solve it and see this the favorite choice of mine, no relation can be established, was actually right, but see, it was a wild guess. I have not solved it and it was right. If you don't know the answer, you will see, you will get the explanation here, not answered. Okay, so again you will get an explanation. So likewise you will get the explanation of all the questions, all the response here at one go. Now what happens if you are like you want to change to the other profile? You just go to this, again you press your 3 lines, you will get this interface, then you do this switch profile. So now it was suppose I was in this, so I want to go to CHSL. I will get my profile will change, and now it is SSC CHSL. You can see Rajiv Ranjan Jha SSC CHSL. I can take test from that, and then if I want to go to the bank's IBPS and also I can change my profile. So friends, this is actually revolutionary website which is giving you so many things. There are websites I know that they are giving, but they are charging you also. And then also what I see, there are pop-ups, then there are many things, hidden cost and that cost. So what is the best thing is that you just need to enroll in this website and have the fun of taking computer based test at your, and you cannot even, could not show you one thing, that pause button was available. You could pause it, again start it. So friends, just a small recap of what we have told in this session. You go to the sign up page, you get this type of interface, full name, email address, mobile, and then you select your exams. Then you have to click this box, and then you are ready to go after your email verification. So friends, all the best to you, and if you are preparing really seriously, then this is the website for you. At least you should be visiting this website quite often and make your preparation very good and enjoy your success. Whatever desired goals you have, you should enjoy your success in that, and that to no cost. So if you like our videos, because we have been dealing this quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, English, general awareness, these are the major 4 sections we have been dealing in our different videos. So what I suggest to you, even in this video and other videos, when you like it, you just subscribe and like, and more important is for me is to put your doubts in the comment section. We will surely try to revert back to you and give you the best explanations to your doubt, and this is the way the success is being done. So I won't take much of your time, and now we'll just go and stop this video. And if you like and this information was valuable for you, then please subscribe to my channel for our encouragement. Thank you friends.